बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लॉ। सबसे पहले हम इसका इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ लॉ। लॉ इज़ द सोशल साइंस एंड ग्रोज एंड develops with the growth and development of society. New developments in society creates new problems and law is required to deal with those problems. In order to keep peace with society, the definition and scope of law must continue to change. The result is that a definition of law given at a particular time. Law is the principle and regulations established in the community by some authority and applicable to its people, whether in the form of legislation or of customs and policies recognized and enforced by state authority. The system of rules which a particular country or community recognizes as a regulating the action of its members and which it may enforce by the imposition of penalties. Law is the subject matter of jurisprudence. It is any rule of action and includes any standard or pattern to which actions are to be conformed. It means a body of rules of conduct, action or behavior of a person made and enforced by the state. It is a general rule of external human action enforced by a sovereign political authority. Meaning, it means a body of rules of conduct, action or behavior of person made and enforced by the state. It expresses a rule of human action. It is general rule of external human action enforced by a sovereign political authority. The system of rules which a particular country or a community recognizes as regulating the actions of its members and which it may be enforced by the imposition of penalties. Definitions देख लेते हैं लॉ की. Jurists have defined law differently from different point of views. It has been called dharma in Hindu, jurisprudence and hukum in Islamic system. Romans called it jus, and in Germany and France it is called as Richard and Droit respectively. According to Blackstone, law in its most general and comprehensive sense signifies a rule of actions and is applied indiscriminately to all kinds of actions, irrespective of gender, caste, language, race, birth, color, and etc. According to Salman, the body of principles recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. Types and kinds: general law, special law, local law, municipal law, customary law, international law, private law, public law, constitutional law, administrative law, substantive and procedural law. So these are the types and kinds of law. And sources of law: legislation, custom, precedent, juristic opinion, and international convention. So these are the sources of law. In this video we discussed what is law, different definitions, then kinds and types of law, and then sources of law. Thank you so much.